Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for joining me here once again at Same Chick Different Day. Today I have created this beautiful, easy to make plate that you could use for your wall, just as wall decor, or you can lay it down and put your beautiful perfume or jewelry on it if you have some special things, or use it as a centerpiece or a candle holder. So I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Leave me a comment below. Let's get started. For today's project, you will need any kind of plate that you have that is flat in the center. I'll leave a list below of where these came from, where all these items came from, but this plate did come from the Dollar Tree. You'll need some flat back pearls or any type of rhinestones that you want to use. You will need a mirror. I'll be using the E6000 glue and my handy dandy pick-me-up tool. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and remove these little feet from the back of the mirror so that it can lay flat onto the plate. So I am trying to work and hold the camera at the same time. So as you can see, I'm just putting some little dabs of glue. I don't want it to come out from under the mirror, you know, and start oozing out. So that's why I'm kind of putting it in some type of pattern. But you're welcome to do it however you like. So now that I have the glue on there, which by the way is very smelly, and you need to use this in a well ventilated area. And all I'm going to do is eyeball this, just stand over the plate and eyeball it until it's center. You can kind of tell the space that you have around the edge. Just make sure that it's good and press it down. And it takes about 24 hours for this glue to dry. So I've got my mirror in place, and now I'm going to start adhering the pearls. So as you can see, I've just taken my pearls and put all the big ones together, all of the medium ones and all the smaller ones, and I'm going to go ahead and just place some of them on the plate. And what I'm going to do is start with the big ones and just put them around the plate. So as you can see, I have laid out all of my large pearls because I'm basically going to go ahead and adhere them first and then work around my big pearls and start putting my medium and my small ones. So let me show you how I'm going to do that. So I've gone ahead and glued down all of these large flat back pearls. Now I put some glue down, just a little bit of glue, and I'm going to go and do the next size down, this medium size. And y'all just bear with me because I am having to use my left hand, which I don't use often, in order to be able to film. So I am just gonna put it right down on there. Okay, I'm all over the place, but y'all get my drift. So all I'm really doing is, there's no real pattern to this except put your big ones down and get them in place, and then go to the next size and put it somewhere nearby, at least one nearby, and you see how that's looking. And then you can go in and start putting your next smallest size. You can see how pretty it's already looking. So there is no real rhyme or reason. You could do as many of the pearls as you'd like, or as little bit of the pearls as you'd like. It's really pretty with just the big ones, and you could fill the plate full of them or just leave it, you know, with a few. It's your personal preference, but I think it's turning out really pretty. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'm going to go ahead and keep working on it. One more little added tip. I don't know why I forgot this because I haven't done a plate in a while. I used to do a lot of plates, and I'll leave some of those videos at the end. But if you want, you can take a Lazy Susan, because I realized I was working harder instead of smarter, and just put it on the Lazy Susan and you can turn it as you go. So that's what I need to be doing. It's making this easier for me. But you all get the idea. You see how it's going. And now that I pull my Lazy Susan out, I'll probably get done quicker. So okay, so I'm done with the plates. Actually, I did 2 of these plates. Here's the other one. And I wanted to let y'all know that you could put this on your wall as just a decorative plate, or you can go ahead and put like a vase on top of it and put flowers in it or a candle and use it as a candle holder or as a centerpiece for a party. I think these turned out beautiful. And I had a little idea as I was doing these. I was thinking, well, what if you don't want just all white pearls, or these are kind of an off-white. So I took some fingernail polish that I got from the Dollar Tree. This is just like a flesh colored polish, and I think I put 3 coats maybe on here. And this one doesn't have a number on the top, but it's 659 on the bottom, so I think that's the number. And then I did this lighter color, like a really pale pink or a pale pearl color, and it does have a number on it, 517. So I was thinking if you wanted black pearls or whatever color pearls you wanted, you could spray paint them, or you could use fingernail polish as I did here. So I just sat some of these pearls on the plate so you could get an idea of how it would look mixed in with the pearl. Or if you had the time, you could do all of your pearls in a color or buy some that are color. But I just wanted to see what these would look like. So y'all go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. Go ahead and leave a comment. Who all is doing this project? I'd love some feedback from you. And anybody that's interested in this pick-me-up tool, I get a lot of questions about this. I will leave a link for it below also. And for the pearls. So yeah, y'all have a great day. Thank y'all so much for joining me again. See you next time. Bye-bye, my beautiful people.